Hey everyone, so I created a game on Kahoot for learning about the Earth's atmosphere. So we would start by going into the fourth grade science class on Seesaw and clicking the link that I have under activities. This will take you to the Kahoot page, which I believe will ask you for a code to be able to enter it. So um, just showing you, since we don't have a code right now, just showing you by making this video. So I'm going to go ahead and play, and I'll just click on practice because this will pair me with other automated people to play against. So I'm going to enter Tony for my name and start. This is a 10-question quiz. Some of them are multiple choice. Some of them are true or false. And there's 10 seconds to enter each question. So blank is the layer of gas surrounding the Earth. I'm going to choose the atmosphere. Question number 2, what is the lowest layer of Earth's atmosphere? Hint, nearly all weather conditions take place here. That would be the troposphere. And moving on to question number 3, the blank protects us from the UV rays that come from the sun. That would be the ozone layer. The ozone layer is located in the blank. Question number 5. This layer of the atmosphere is where shooting stars are seen streaking across the sky. Question number 6. I can reach 4,500 degrees Fahrenheit, home to the International Space Station, and the northern lights usually appear here. What am I? Question number 7. The blank is the edge of our atmosphere, separates us from the outer space, and is just as thick as Earth itself. Question number 8 is a true or false question. The two main gases that make up the Earth's atmosphere are known as nitrogen and oxygen. That's true. Oh, whoops. And we have question number 9. A shooting star is a meteor that burns up due to the gases causing friction and creating heat in the mesosphere. Sorry, you can hear my cat in the background. My dog's picking on her. Question 10 out of 10. What mountain reaches the top of the troposphere? Hint and fun fact, this is also my dog's name. And that would be Everest. So then you finish the game and it shows all the scores. Of course, instead of this being random names generated by the computer, this would be the classmates game because everybody can log in on their iPads or their own personal devices so they can play this game together. So that is the choose your own adventure game that I decided to create. So thanks for watching and feel free to leave any feedback and let me know what I can do better. Thank you.